Come test drive the 2017 Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard MINI Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.